Yeah, so this was on my bucket list to do. Actually, I have a list somewhere. Yeah, so let me get this turned around. So we're just gonna do some beer can chicken today. This is like 5 pounds. I got this, what is this? Shorts Brew. It's an Indian Pale Ale. I'm not a real big hoppy guy, but I've watched enough videos to think that this will add tons of flavor to it. I'm gonna mix up some spices and I'll be right back. So I went to my local, just my local place where I usually get my beer, and I asked them about any broken, 12 packs, 6 packs. Of course they had some, and I need to get rid of about half of that. So I'm gonna leave like 3/4 in there. Super hoppy. This is a complex hop and malt themed park in your mouth. It's pretty damn hoppy. It's also 7.7%. And actually, I didn't tell the guy, but when I left, I looked at the date, and it's expired. Or it was the born on date. Whatever. Times are hard. And again, yeah, there's about 3/4 there. So I got some just equal parts basically of coarse kosher salt, some cracked black pepper, and also some cracked white pepper in there. And then I'm going to just add a little of this kicking chicken. I don't want it too spicy, but gotta have a little flavor. And even though that has crushed red pepper in it, I'm going to put a little bit more crushed red pepper in it. And I may, because I don't really trust this thing to stand upright, so I may put it on that. Maybe not. It was super nice out. Now it's a little overcast. Let's see here. I do want to spray it before Wife was kind enough to take out the heart for me. This is not my typical cook. Just chuck those onions in there. And then I do want to put a tiny bit of this spices in there. Well, and then when I do this, I do want some of the beer to go in there. You can see that. So. Well, let's see. Is the chicken standing up? Yep. Yeah, I'm making a cooking video, Papa. We're here, and I do want to spray it. I was half tempted to, I should have patted it dry. All the juices are going everywhere. Oh, no.
I want juice. Daddy, I want juice.
Yeah, hold on, Papa.
Daddy,
shut the door. I thought this was going to fall over. Tripod broke. Hopefully this will fit in there. So. The old Weber, look at that. Looking just gorgeous. I think we're only a half an hour in. I may go ahead and spin this around. It really was reading at like 300. Spun it around. Cover it back up. Obviously, I can't do all this stuff one-handed. Pull it on, pull it off, spin it around. There it is. And the juices are running clear. These pipes are clean. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get closer and look at that. Oh, Jesus. Still warm. You should eat a piece. What's up, everyone? Sorry about the short video. About doing my daily prep. Get the store ready and everything, but I was cooking that on the Weber for about between 250 and 300 degrees. I had the dampener set to about a quarter because I didn't want it to get too hot. I cooked it for roughly about 2 hours. If I failed to mention that, if you can, please consider subscribing. I appreciate everybody that watches. I get the old store ready for the day. So, guys, take care. Be safe.